Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to turn on and use voice typing on your Android phone so you can type with just your voice. First, open any app where you can type like Messages, WhatsApp or Notes. Go to one chat and tap the text box to bring up your keyboard. Look for the microphone icon on the keyboard, usually near the spacebar or top right. Tap it and just speak. Your phone will convert your voice into text. Let me try it. Hi, this is voice typing. If you don't see the microphone, here's how to enable it. Go to Settings and then scroll down and find the option called System and tap on it. And then go to Languages and Input. Go to On-Screen Keyboard. Then tap on Gboard and scroll down, locate the option called voice typing, tap on it and turn it on. You can also customize your voice typing language or even download offline speech recognition. Just go to Gboard settings and then languages and select your preferred language. And that's it. Super easy voice typing on Android, hands-free and fast. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.